In the heart of Somalia, where the sun kisses the fertile soil, a movement has taken root. The Green Society of Somalia, driven by a vision of local empowerment and sustainable agriculture, is sowing the seeds of change. The journey begins with knowledge. Local farmers, once dependent on traditional methods, now gather to learn modern, sustainable farming techniques. Workshops on soil health, water conservation, and organic farming practices empower them to nurture the land and increase productivity. Bridging the gap between aspiration and reality, the Green Society facilitates access to essential resources. Seeds of potential are sown as farmers receive the tools they need to transform their fields into thriving gardens.